So now we'll begin with the fourth one. And now, as you have seen the tick cross method, the benefit is a lot, because when you are dealing with no plus no, sum plus sum, and once you have the entire grid ready, for which just takes like 5 seconds, you can solve it easily. So I'm not saying you can get comfortable one and all, but you need to do the rules properly. The rules are not really much, it takes hardly some time and some practice. So let's begin with fourth. We again start with the conclusion. Some journals are novels. So journals, we'll take the magazine, comics and novels. So you saw it, these three we can get our logic, and these three are there. So some novels are comics, cross cross, all comics are magazines, tick cross, no magazine is journal, right? So we have some, we have no, some plus no have to come for whatever we are doing. So let's middle term check, once distributed, and cross tick. So generally it was tick tick cross cross rule, cross tick cross tick. So it is sum plus not, right? Obviously this one will take sum n r not j. This should come, right? So this is coming as our conclusion, which is definitely following. What is the option? Some journals are novels. Now let's see our possibility cases, because this is the question. So we can see whenever you have sum b r not a, you can say directly, which is not here in this chart. So we'll add other one and we'll place it here, this one, right? So why we are taking out this one? Because this is the second one, and you can see it here. If sum a r not b, we can say sum a r b is a possibility. See, generally if you from the direct mainstream, this we have discussed in our theory class, if you are directly getting no a r b, and from there you are deriving sum a r not b, and then you cannot say sum a r b, sum a r not b, and then sum a r b is a possibility. This one you cannot use this rule. If your main only you are getting no a r b, and from there you are deriving no sum a r not b, then you cannot say sum a r b is a possibility. But here directly we are getting sum n r not j, so you can use this rule, which says, like again you can see this here, sum a r not b, you can say sum a r b is a possibility, right? So obviously we can say a follows as a possibility. So this is not our answer, right? We have to find which definitely does not follow, and that's why. Let's start. So now some journals are comics, these two. So comics, magazines, all comics are magazines. So and then no magazine is journal, so we can say tick tick, and obviously no is there in the statement, so we have to have no in the conclusion. So we are getting two ticks. So no CRJ, or no CRJ, or no JRC. See, this will help us with the option A thing which I was saying. So directly from this one we are saying as definitely that no CRJ and no JRC. So whenever that happens, some JR comics. How can that happen? Some JR comics? No, because we directly said definitely that no JRC. So there is no chance of some journals are comics. So obviously, for the matter of fact, B is our answer, and we will discuss others also, so that we get the entire picture of syllogism sheet. So as you know that whenever I said that other rule which you used is only when you have sum a r not b, because what happens, what I'm saying is, see, sometimes you don't have no there, or maybe you have sometimes something which you can use sum a r not b also. That thing, if you are not yet clear, you can ask me in the comment section, and you will get your doubt clarified. but that I've specially discussed in my some theory class. So some journals are books, right? So we'll see which one we have to consider. Some journals are books. So journals and books. So entire we have to go from the full thing. But we don't need to solve here for anything. Why? Because see this. There's some plus some. For moving down the chain to connect novel, comics, magazine to get books and journals, we are going through two sums. Obviously, two sums mean no conclusion, and no conclusion is there any possibility is true. But this is also not our option, right? So this is gone. Now we'll go with option D. All books being novel is a possibility. Books being novels is a possibility. So directly from one statement, I think you have to conclude. So because all books being novels is a possibility, so any other combination is not there. Yeah, correct. So we will again just bring our chart so you get the clarity of using it. So some books from see, you can see this one. See here, some A R B, right? So all A R B is a possibility, or some A R B you can say all B R A is a possibility. So but directly you can say yes, this follows as a possibility. This one we have ruled, use the option, this two. So whenever there is some A R B, you can say all, there is a possibility for all of them to be true. So just by memorizing small things you can get the entire picture, and there is no question you cannot solve. And once you're ready with the practice, you will be really fast. So don't worry about a lot of rules and stuff. This is really easy, and use E option notice anyway not there. Option was whatever we solved, and that's why the fourth question answer was B, right? Some journals are comics, as I have told you how from the no thing we have there. So if you have any doubt, you can post in the comment section if you're not getting any point, because it's very important to understand how to use all those logic.